can always get B-roll later. But
No, turn around.
B-roll? Okay,
yeah.
let's do it. Any thoughts on the on this bridge?
Well, I mean, bridges in general. It's about building bridges, not burning them. You know, that's the problem. Is too often we burn the bridge. You know, our goals in life should largely be about building them. You know, when you meet someone that disagrees with you, someone that makes you angry, someone that's radically different than you, to the point that you're feeling it in your gut, and then not a good way. Take a moment to try to, you know, understand them. Take a moment to try and empathize with them. Try to connect. And what you'll often realize is the person that's causing those emotions isn't the issue. It's your personal triggers and your sensitivities, you know, so try to build more bridges instead of burning them. When you find someone you disagree with, try to understand them. That doesn't mean you have to agree with them, but hear them out, you know, hear people out, you know, understand.
Yeah, share with whom it may resonate. Click links underneath this video when you want to learn more about blockchain and Bitcoin and crypto, the purple revolution I call it. And I get back to the person that sent you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll knock your socks off and blow your hair back for the next 30 years. And then leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page when you see this video on a page where that is possible. We won't spam you, we'll send you appropriate video information, and then I'll see you and yours definitely in our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, Zoom calls, Skype calls, clinics, special marketing and crypto meetings, trading sessions, you name it, we do it. But definitely I'll see you in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.